Take a ride to a water hole. Got my new LED light on, headlight. Oh yeah, put me a 12 volt outlet too. Wired that sumbitch. You see the gates are open. I know that guy. If you want to, it's kind of hairy trail though. One of the guys I know owns that property back there with the gate open, and he changed his number, and I haven't fucking got. I can't get a hold of him for like 2 years. Yeah, I don't know how steep. All right, turn around. We'll go back. If it's too much, we'll turn around. He's got a cabin up there, but it's more hairy. Is he making it? Was he?
Yeah.
Oh, there he is. All right. Steve up here?
Where is he? He I think is up there.
Oh, is he at the cabin?
Yeah. So he should be.
Oh, there he is. And he takes off. What's up, bro?
Halfway down the hill.
I don't know. He made it up to the first spot where the other car was parked, and I'm like, the next set's a little bit trickier. He was showing us like a water hole, so we're gonna take a ride over there and. Well, maybe not. Maybe, I don't know. Depends what's there. All right, man, take it easy.
Yep, good to see you again.
Oh, I think that's him. He's like, it's all good. I'll be fine. Have fun. Where the hell is he? He was up top of the hill by the cabin. He's got a bunch of people up there, huh?
Oh yeah.
There's fucking trails you wouldn't believe. I wouldn't want to go on this, because they get even worse.
I believe it. I can't get up there. I fucking fell over and fucking hurt my ankle, and I'm like, fuck this.
Did you?
And all I do is fucking spin.
Did you see me spinning going up? It's like fucking. I haven't seen him in like 7 years. I want to get a hold of him. Now to the swimming hole.
Fucking hate being embarrassed.
What's there to be embarrassed about? You got a shitty tire.
Yeah, I wasn't at the top of the fucking hill.
Every time I see drive like your kids live here, I think, should I stop and do some burnouts and wheelies and shit? Because they really appreciate that. You know what I mean? Party! It's a trail.
walk this and it goes to the brook and the little pool and whatnot.
I thought it was a trail that went like up and over, but it might have went. Looks like there's fish here too.
Oh yeah. Probably stop.
Oh yeah. There's another nice spot there. No one's got a clearing down to that either. Yeah, that's cool.
I don't know where the fuck.
Nice little water hole. I'll stop at the Northville market to get a tasty beverage. Oh, party's all over today. Willie. What are you looking at, Willie? Ghost Rider. Woo! Drove that whole road, no hands. I'm talented. Oh, got him. You got that chipmunk.
I hit him?
He was standing there and you went right next to him and he friggin' ran right under your tire.
I didn't even see him.
Yeah.